Model: 2020 Volkswagen Transporter T5 T28 Highline Tdi Bargain Cat S body, black, panel van mileage, 47,513 MOT, the 2nd of June 2024 engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 110 PSC transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: mint pre-accident damage, nice simple rear quarter repair, easiest repair to do in my opinion, will make a cheap transporter for someone, well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, Cat S. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119